Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will share 3 different ways to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Let's get started. The first method is using the hardware button combination. To screenshot using this way, we need a side button and a volume down button. Now, to screenshot, quickly press and release these two buttons together. It will save the screenshot and you will see the screenshot toolbar at the bottom to edit or share the screenshot. The second way to capture a screenshot on Galaxy M53 is using the side panel. Go to the side panel by pulling this handle to use this method. Navigate to the task page by swiping these panels. You will see the Take Screenshots button. Tap on it. It will save the screenshot. To add a task page to your sidebar, go to the Edge panel and tap Settings. Here, select the Task page by tapping on it. Now, whenever you go to the sidebar, you can browse to the Tasks panel. You get this Take Screenshot button. The third way to take a screenshot is using the palm swipe. To use this method, go to the page you want and swipe your palm on the screen like this. It will save the screenshot. If this method is not working, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Here, select Motions and Gestures. Enable the palm swipe to capture if it is not. If you are using the screen protector, go to Settings, then Display. Here, toggle on Touch Sensitivity. Now, you will be able to take the screenshot using the palm swipe. To take a long or scroll screenshot, go to the page you want. For example, let me go to Settings. Now take the screenshot using any of the methods shown in this video. Let me use the hardware combination method. You get this toolbar with this down arrow button. Tap on it to take the scrolling screenshot. If you reach end of the page or stop tapping the long screenshot button, it will automatically save the screenshot to the gallery. To view the saved screenshots, go to Gallery. Here, Albums, and then the screenshot folder. You will see all the taken screenshots here. This is the long screenshot we just saved now. That's it for this video on how to take screenshot on Galaxy M53 5G. Thank you for watching this video. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel.